why you should color code. It's myorganized.life live, March 19th, 2019.
Do you color code your files?
Actually, I have some that are and some that aren't.
Okay.
Because I probably watched one of our podcasts,
I'm sure
or
you did.
read one of our articles,
Or saw the nice video that we've got playing right now,
yes,
organizing color.
Color coding is great. We've actually talked a lot about this, but first we got to tell people this is myorganized.life live. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and do things in color. This show is in color.
It is, I believe.
I think so. Unless people
on all
put
continents.
on the black and white filters in it.
That'd be kind of
color
cool. Maybe we should do that one day. Put it in black and white.
Ooh, be retro-y.
Yeah.
I think we could probably do that.
I'm sure we could.
Anyway, so today we are talking about why you should organize in color. Okay, because
it's quicker.
Yes.
It's easier. It's more effective.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
thank you.
We'll
Our
see you
show
tomorrow.
will be tomorrow, 2 p.m. Central. No,
No, it's not.
Actually, we have lots of resources over on sme.com for this. We have podcasts, several on organizing with color, how to set up a filing system in color. But today we're going to talk about an article over on sme.com.
Yes, color coding the office. Organize your office with color. Get the nice
Colored
picture
pencils.
of the pens, markers, pencils.
So does that mean you should take and line up your colored pencils in order?
A lot of people do that with their books.
Yes. Oh, Gotta.
Of course, we have to derail for a second.
We have to derail for a second because that's what happens.
Because you have a story, so everything stops.
Everything stops. But okay, so on, I think it was Instagram. By the way, if you want to follow us on Instagram, myorganized.life.
Right.
But there was someone who did so I think I showed you this picture, right? About the people who organize their books by color.
Oh,
so it kind of looks like the rainbow.
Everybody does that.
Okay, so
not everybody, but it's a big trend.
So I told my wife, I go, I was on Instagram. I saw this thing about organizing books and by color, and she goes, well, what if you don't know the color of the book you're looking for? Because you're not organizing them by name or the Dewey Decimal System. Do you remember the Dewey Decimal System? So that's that. So does anyone out there know how you would do that, or is it just for looks?
I think a lot of these people
don't read.
And
they just put their.
They just have their books as decoration.
It looks really nice.
It does.
But it has absolutely no functional purpose.
No rhyme or reason.
So let's get into this article on why you should color code, because we're going to give you tips you can use.
Right. So basically tips, not why, but I mean kind of why. Getting started. So it's keep in mind that color enhances the function of a workspace.
Yes.
And the goal is not to be colorful, but color purposeful.
Purposeful.
So a great starting point is adding meaningful color, like when you label something. Right. For instance, give the prime example. If you don't know this, I'm going to be mad.
No, I was going to say, is it the one about if it's for finances or money?
Yes, good. You're lucky.
So on one of our episodes, someone said, so like finances, money, you could use red. I said, no, you don't want to use red. You want to use green for money. Yes.
More money.
Okay.
More money.
Yes.
Anyway, so red files can maybe be for a customer or
something.
Some blue for vendor information. But make sure you have these, and then if anything is ever misfiled, the color will be in the wrong section, so you will know. Right. You will be able to spot it if it's wrong.
Here's another derail off, but this is about organizing with color. I just helped my wife put together her schedule because she's trying to juggle all these things. And I said, in our time management podcast that people talk about time blocking, right?
Yes. Leave yourself the white space.
And also do the blocks. So I put all her blocks because she's a teacher and she does her business and she does, got to work with her mom. So I color coded those in different colors so she can look at her little master schedule and see, the business is purple. Okay. Finances, if you have to do anything on that, would be green. And so anyway, it does help.
Yes.
A
and
visual cue.
It saves time too.
Yeah.
So you can pretty much know immediately without looking at the fine print.
Yeah.
If you need your money folder or your finances, you go to the green section, grab it. And it's fast and easy.
There's also a lot of different ways you can take. You can use colored folders or colored
tabs.
Labels.
Yep. Yeah. Viewable system.
Yeah. So there's a lot of different ways you can incorporate color. Okay.
Yep. And like I think we just said, let's see. Some people recognize color much faster than they can read text, which is basically what I just said. You can improve your efficiency, and then if you're working on several projects at a time, assigning a different color for each will make fast work, or finding one that you need for like each project or work day.
Yeah, faster. Yeah. So you can do days of the week, different colors. There's all kinds of different ways you can apply color, not to make it pretty again, but to be color
more efficient.
purposeful.
Color purposeful, more efficient.
Right. Okay. Well, so we have this article over on SME.com. It's called Color Coding the Office. Put that up in the search bar. You can find it. If you just put organized by color in the search bar too, you'll see some of the podcasts we've
we
done
have
and
tons of stuff.
other articles, because organizing by color is a big deal.
Not to mention we have numerous products for sale
Yes.
on myorganized.life.
And I think maybe at the end of the show we should just go show our new commercial,
Sure.
which is organized by color.
I agree.
Isn't that amazing?
Let's do
This
it.
all kind of weaves together.
It does.
But before we do that, we have to tell them tomorrow is...
Tomorrow is Podcast Wednesday, and who do we have? James Lott?
No.
Oh, gosh.
Tom.
Another
not
guy.
Tom, not Tom. Todd Allen.
Todd Allen.
Do you know what he's talking about? We talked about this
Yeah, we
yesterday.
did.
Evernote.
Evernote. Gosh.
Okay. Sorry.
I need the elephant reminder of
Yes,
my brain.
Yes. Okay. So
James Lott.
yeah.
You know why I thought of him?
Well, he
I came across an email from him this morning. That's why I thought
Okay.
of him.
All right. Well, anyway.
Sorry.
So Todd Allen tomorrow talking about the basics of Evernote.
Evernote.
That's our podcast, new podcast released tomorrow. That's at 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific, right here on Facebook. And then
Yes.
it goes out everywhere else right after that, by
Right.
the end of the day before I go home.
Exactly.
You know, YouTube, myorganized.life, sme.com, so you can find it everywhere. All right, and then we won't even get into
We will not.
Solution Day or Blogger Roundup,
Right.
because
It's only
not-
Tuesday.
It's only Tuesday,
Yes.
and you don't like to look that far ahead. What we can look far ahead, though, is the weather this weekend is going to be great, right?
Yes,
Warm.
it will.
Looking forward to that. Okay, well, we'll be back tomorrow with Todd Allen here on the podcast at 2 p.m., 3 Eastern, noon Pacific, myorganized.life live. Now let's organize with color. Get organized in color at myorganized.life.
Live, we laugh, we love, and color. Live, we laugh, we love, and color. Live, we laugh, we love, and color.
myorganized.life.